Makiria ma andu aya 30 aria maraikirio ngono ni borithi namba nene yao ni mbeu njithi, amwe ao ari endia njohi na amwe mari anyui. Andu aya maraikirio ngono thutha wa borithi kuhofaniria kirabu kimwe itura-ini ria GACHIE gicigo-ini kia UMBUNGE gia Kiambaa kurumirira kiriro kia aikari.
After having learned got a lot of information that there's a club within this area by the name Paradiso, which is operating throughout the day. And it's not the first time. I think our officers have come before and they found it. DCC
wa Kiambaa Joyfrey augite kirabu giki gitikoretwo na marua ma wendia wa njohi na gikoretwo gikiendia njohi ginyagia mathaa-ini ma muthenya mugaru na watho.
Alcohol, these are spirits. We checked everything in the counter is not licensed, but they are selling alcohol.
Na kuona maafitha borithi ni marekereirie nganja ukinyaniru-ini wa njohi muthemba wa spirits iria irendagio kirabu-ini giki, Teragon augite ni gutwarwo laboratory-ini cia thirikari guthimwo kana ni kinyanirie ikiro.
Because they are selling here in an unlicensed premise, we are not sure whether it is actually compliant. We don't know whether it is counterfeit because they don't have a license. And this is actually led to us making sure that we want to collect all the alcohol we are seeing in front of you so that we can take them, we subject them for analysis in government chemist.
Muingi ugitungiri ikinya riri makiuga kirabu giki gikoretwo gitororoketie.
Gitukiete tondu all over o muthenya bara guku kando noguo giikariire tiri wa thirikari na bado ndina license
tia form 4 kwajiriria form 4 guthi na iguru. Jamani, ni turenda kuona mwina misi yanyu na ni turenda kuona mugitiga njohi.
Ukihurana na njohi uhurane na njohi na waganu tondu mundu ratinda ba muthenya ri no mwaka korwo akiri na kuria rutaga mbia na tiguthukuma tondu muthenya niguo ndo maragithukuma.
Marauga itura riri rikoretwo rigumirwo ni thina wa wendia no nyui wa njohi ginyagia mathaa-ini ma muthenya.
Tumakaga tukiona media-ini deputy president akiuga narahurana na njohi na guku gwitu andu manyua 24/7 ugakora kwina wine and spirit hingure itura hingure to mathaa 24 kwina mbaa riu tariu ino ya itura hingure na gutire mundu ura wa connect
handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Waithira wa Mwangi.